Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
How are
morning.
you, ma'am?
I'm fine, dear. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Did you go through the portion that we studied last class?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I ask a few questions then?
Yeah.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. The basic question, what is the spelling of computer? If you know, raise your hand. I'll come to you. Rex.
Ma'am,
Rex.
receipt.
Wait. Rex.
COMPUTER.
Very good, computer. Now, a monitor is an example of hardware or software. Rishit,
Hardware.
hardware, very good. Monitor is an example of hardware. Then, yes, Microsoft Paint is an example for Microsoft Paint is an example for
I'm your video is off.
just a minute. Okay. So Microsoft Paint, it's an example for who will say Rida Mehreen. Tell me.
Software.
Software. Very good. Now, can you give me another example for software? Anyone? Chinmay. Microsoft Word. Very good. Now, mouse. A mouse, which is part of the computer, that is an example for hardware or software. Agnes. Huh?
Hardware.
Hardware. Very good. Now, what is a hardware now? What is a hardware? Who knows the answer? What is a hardware? Anamika.
We can touch and feel.
We can anything that you can touch and feel is a hardware or the parts of the computer. What do you think? Yes, Ramin. The parts of the computer that you can touch and feel, they are known as hardware. Understood?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, you cannot.
Okay. So we have learned about the computer. We learned the definition of computer. We learned the differences between hardware and software. Set of instructions that are given to the hardware for working. What do you call them? We call them software. Very good, Raushid. Very good. Very good.
Software.
Yes, very good, children. You have studied everything. Okay. Then, so we studied the examples for hardware and software and we finished it there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now today we are going to start a new topic, uses of computer. Yes, Janita?
The notes.
Okay, very good, very good.
Mama, I also do.
Yes. Very good. Okay.
And I also do.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, today we are going to start a new topic that is uses of computer. Do you remember we discussed the general uses of computer in the first class?
Yes.
Remember? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. From today onwards, for a few classes, we learn about the uses of computer at different places. The uses of computer at different places. For example, we use it at home, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Then we use it at school.
Yes.
Then we can use it at shops and hotels, then in banks, in offices, and so many other places. So we learn about the different places where we use the computer and what are the uses of computer in those different places. Got it? Okay. So you can write the heading in your rough book, uses of computer.
Book.
Rough book, rough book. Uses of computer. Yes, dear. Rough book. Rough book. Rough book. Rough book. Uses of. Please mute yourself, everyone. Please mute your audios. Uses of computer. That is the heading.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Uses of computer. You have to write this. Uses of computer. Write it in your rough book.
Okay, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Finish.
Finished writing. Okay. Let's wait for the others to complete.
Ma'am, finish.
Those who are finished, tell me. Where do we use the computers? Which are the different places where we use the computer?
House, hotel, hotel,
School. Hospital. Okay. Yes. Shopping malls. Okay. Then airport, banks. Yes. Markets.
No, market.
Okay. Do local markets have a computer?
No.
No. Lulu has. Yes. The hypermarkets, supermarkets, and all have computer. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now don't list all the malls now. Tell me, where do we use the computer? Oberon Mall, Lulu Mall, Central Mall. Huh? Niharika? Okay. Hotel, yes. It's not hotel, it's hotel. Home. Yes. Okay. So yes, that's correct. That's correct. We use it in the hospitals also. Now today we learn about 3 different places where we use computer. One is, as you said, school. Second one is home.
I'm right.
Wait, I'll give you time to write. Now listen now. Then shops and hotels. Shops and hotels. Okay, we'll discuss and then we'll write. Okay. So tell me, why do we use a computer, or why do we need a computer at school? Abel, are you listening?
Where we need to study. We want to study, learn.
We need to study.
It's a computer. We have to study. We have to take the bills.
Bills is in the shops, no. But especially in school settings, why do we need the computer? Agnes, yes, Agnes.
Doing works. Studying, learning, doing works, and we can study.
Okay, yes, we can use it for studying. We can, it helps the teachers for online classes, right?
Yes.
Helps the teachers for teaching also. If you are present here, we can use the computer and show you different videos and visuals and pictures, right?
Yes.
Yes. So it helps the teachers to teach. Then in the library, in the school library, do we have a computer?
Yes.
Why do we need a computer in a school library?
Ma'am, bill.
In library, do we prepare a bill? No. Think.
Ma'am, read. We need to store information.
To store information regarding what?
How many days?
Correct. Yes. How many books are there in the library? What are the names and authors? Then what are the different code names? In which section does the book come? Is it a fiction? Is it a novel? And is it dictionary? Is it a textbook? Is it a reference book? Is it a guide? You have to store all these information, right? Then only a librarian can answer to your questions. If somebody like whom should I call? Emmanuel goes to the library and asks the librarian, do we have a book based on Sherlock Holmes, the investigative stories? Do we have it? So can the librarian go and check the whole rack of books whether there is a book named Sherlock Holmes? No. Then what, for easier purpose, what do? We store that in the computer. So if we just search in the computer, we can find out the list, isn't it?
Yes.
Remember one point that we learned: computer makes our life easier, makes our works easier. In this case, librarian does not have to go and search the whole library for the book that Emmanuel is going to ask. Understood?
Yes.
Instead, what can she do, or what can he do? He can just type in the computer, search for the book and find out.
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So that is one use in the library. In the libraries, we can use computer. Then the teachers, it helps the teachers for teaching. Then one more point is the computer helps us in preparing the report card. Report card. See, there are so many classes in our school, isn't it?
Yes.
It's from lower KG to the 12th grade, class 12. So, will it be easy for the teachers or the office staff to sit and write all the report cards? No, it will take so much time, isn't it?
So much time.
Yes, and how do you get your report cards? Is it in a handwritten form? No, it is in a typed form, right?
Typed form.
That was prepared in a computer. We can type the marks, we can type the subject, we can calculate percentage easily. Otherwise, we'll have to sit and write, isn't it?
Yeah.
You won't even have time for teaching your. We'll be sitting and preparing the report cards of the previous term. Is it not? Yes. So it helps to prepare the report cards also. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
which are the three uses at school? One is preparing report card, one is in the school library, one is in helping teachers teaching. Okay, teaching, report cards, and then library. Got it?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is the main use of computer. We have so many other uses at school. In the school office, you can use, and for students also, for browsing, for projects and all, we can browse.
Yes.
For videos, we can browse. But today we are learning these 3 points only. Fine.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Now next point that we are going to learn, which was the second place that I wrote on the board.
Home.
Home. At home. Yes. At home. Yes. At home, why do we need a computer? Think.
Children want online class and
Online class. Okay. Then
work.
study, for your parents to work.
Works.
Rishit, yes.
We can play games and we can see movies and songs.
Listen to music. We can watch movies. We can play games.
We can play paint.
Yes. Serafina.
We can see videos.
We can see videos. Yes. Ameya. Cartoons. You can watch cartoons. Niharika.
Online shopping.
Online shopping. Yes. Agnes.
We can do painting.
You can do painting. Yes, that is also correct. Chinmay. What is that?
Ma'am,
Serafina, yes, you already told. What is it?
we can see pictures.
We can see pictures. Okay. Yes.
Correct.
Correct. Apart from all these points, does the computer help your parents in calculating the monthly expenses? Yes. Based on the income that they have and based on what they spend, we can calculate the expenses, right? Monthly expenses. Yes. Yes, Agnes?
We can print.
We can print also. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 points given in your text is computer helps you to play games. Okay, it helps you to play games. Then helps your parents to calculate expenses, monthly expenses. Then third one is it helps you to listen to music and watch movies at home. That is very common, right?
Yeah.
We can watch movies, we can watch other videos, cartoons, anything. Then we can also listen to beautiful music.
Ma'am,
Yes, Parvana?
we can
Hmm?
call anyone.
We can call anyone also.
Ma'am, we can do rocket launching and satellites.
Ah,
Ma'am,
at home.
rocket launching.
At home.
No, in the
We are
space.
talking about
space
at
center.
home, dear. Okay. Even I wonder, do you launch rockets at home?
No.
I was wondering this shit. I thought you were talking about at home. Okay, fine. That's okay. Now the third one, which was the third place that we were discussing? Shops and hotels.
Hotels.
Yes, shops and
Yeah,
hotels.
hotels.
Why do we need a computer in a shop or in a hotel?
We need to take bills.
Bills. Yes, correct, Rishit. Very good. Yes, we need to prepare bills. Is it not? Suppose you all told me about Lulu Mall, Oberon Mall, Centro Mall, and all those malls, isn't it? We have so many shops inside the malls.
Yeah.
Yes, Krishna Raj. Just a minute. Just wait. Yes, cameras. CCTV cameras. Yes, that's correct. We can connect it to a computer and see. That's correct.
Yes.
Okay. Now we were talking about the bills. Okay. Now when you go to Lulu Mall or Oberon Mall or whichever mall, you do shopping, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You take all your chocolates or your Lays, Kurkure, all the junk food. Then your mom picks up all the vegetables, fruits, and all the healthy food. Then you go. Huh?
Ma'am,
Your favorite toys. Then
we can eat their food.
yes, food, desserts, everything, ice creams.
Yes.
Yes, it will be a long list of items.
Pizza and burger.
Pizza and burgers. Yes, very good. Yes, Rida.
Ma'am,
What is that?
first make for my grandmother.
You made for your grandmother.
Yes.
What is that? Wallet. Okay, very good. Very nice. Okay, now when you go to these shops, you buy lots of things, isn't it? It's a long
Yes.
list of things.
Yeah.
Yes. So suppose if there were no computers there, then people at the billing counter, they'll have to sit and write, no? Nutella, chocolates, then
Yes.
Snickers, Toblerone, toys, vegetables, fruits, apple, this much kilo, pineapple, this much kilo, then your bitter gourd, this much kilo, isn't it? Yes,
Yeah.
it will be a long list and the person will be sitting and writing from morning to night. Is it not?
Yes.
And for
Yeah.
you to get the bill, you'll have to wait from 8 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Because it will be a long list. And the person has to sit and calculate the total amount also to give you the bill and for you to pay the cash.
Yeah.
Yes. So instead, what can we do? What are there in these shops?
Computer.
Computers. Yes, computers are there. How do they help them? I mean, how do they help us in this case?
We
And
can work fast.
Yes, we can work fast. We can work fast. We can prepare the bills fast. We can get the long list very fast, isn't it? Within minutes. Yes. So it helps in preparing the bills in shops. Okay.
Yes.
Now the next one is it helps at restaurants and hotels to maintain records of stocks and price of different items. So if you are having a shop, suppose we are having a shop, okay, we all are partners of a shop.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Tiva, tell me, what shop do you want? Tiva,
Yes, ma'am.
what shop do you want? We are all going to be partners of a shop. Imagine, what shop do you want?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, curry shop.
Tiva's thinking. Okay, Devamitra, tell me.
ma'am,
Curry shop.
can you mute her?
Yes, I will mute her.
Ma'am,
Mitra.
Devamitra, tell me.
Bakery shop.
Bakery. You want a bakery?
ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Rishit, we have fixed with the bakery. What is your opinion?
toys,
Toys. Okay.
chocolates.
Oh my God. Then shall we begin supermarket? That'll be better.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Shop.
So we need to have a record of whatever things we bring into the shop, right?
Yes.
Yes. Otherwise, if suppose Rex and Rishit together comes and take away all the Nutella, will we know?
Yes.
No, we won't know. No? Yes.
Yeah.
If we have a record of these items, we can check if this is
Yeah.
present or not. So we can
Yes.
prepare the records of the stock. Stock means
Stock.
the things present in the shop
Oh.
Yes.
or the things that we buy to sell in the shop. Okay. And also it helps to know the price of different items. Suppose if some of us are not there in the shop that day, and Anunaya is the person sitting at the cash counter that day. And till then, Janita was the one who was selling all the things. She was in charge of the cash counter. And the other day, Janita was absent, so Anunaya took charge. And that day, she had to prepare the bill and then sell the items, right?
Yeah.
But if she doesn't know the price of the items, then we'll be in great loss, is it not? Yes.
Yes.
If a particular item costs rupees 300, and she sold it for rupees 10, we lose 290 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So for knowing the prices of items also, we can use the computer. We can keep a record of the stock and we can keep a record of the price of different items.
Yes.
For that also we can use computer. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Then one more point, it helps in purchasing items. Suppose if it is Corona time, the period of Corona, and then we can't go to the main markets and buy, or the local markets and buy all the stock,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes.
So what can we do? We can sit in the...
We go to eat pizza in Lulu.
That's dangerous. Okay. Then what were we talking about? Yes, the purchasing of items. We can
Yes.
sit at home and then buy. We can do online shopping, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, that can also be done. So which are the 3 points? It helps the shopkeepers to prepare the bills.
Prepare the bills.
Prepare the bills. That is
Yes.
1 point. Then the second one is helps to maintain records of stock and price of items.
Of items.
Stock and price
Price
of
of
items.
items.
Yes, very good. Then it helps in purchasing items, in buying items to the shop and hotels.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay. So which were the 3 places we discussed? 3 different places we discussed. Who can tell me? Aiden. Aiden Dice. Aiden Dice. Huh? School? School? Home?
Mall.
It's not mall. Shops and
Shops and
shops and
hotels.
hotels. Shops and hotels.
Hotels.
Felix. Felix, tell me which are the 3 places? School.
Home.
Only school.
I'm Dinita.
School. After school, where do you come?
Home.
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 Yes,
Home.
school, home, and then if you're hungry, where will you go?
Shopping or hotel.
Shops or hotels.
Hotels.
Okay. Devamitra can tell. Yes, of course.
School,
Yeah.
home,
Hmm.
shop, and hotel.
Hotels, shops, and hotels. Spell that one. I mean, pronounce it once more. Shops and
Shop and hotel.
hotels. Yes. I'll share the screen. Those who have not written can write. Meanwhile,
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
take the attendance. Okay. Please mute yourself and write, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Those who have finished, no problem. Please wait. I'll
Finish.
call out the attendance.
Home,
Okay. Adnan K. Wahab. Adnan. Adnan. Absent. Agnes Wilson.
present, ma'am.
Abel Rinson.
Absent.
Abel Rinson is absent.
Yes.
Aiden Dias.
Absent. And finish.
Aiden Dias. Present. Aiden Rojo.
Ma'am, Abel Rinson is present.
Yes, yes, I saw. Then Aiden Rojo.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Listen here, okay? Otherwise, you'll lose your attendance. Ameya CS.
Present, ma'am.
Anamika.
Present, ma'am.
Andrina. Andrina.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anna Medi.
Present, ma'am.
Anunaya.
Present, ma'am.
Arfin.
Present, ma'am.
Good children. Aryan. Okay. Avantika.
Present, ma'am.
Ayan.
Absent.
Absent.
Absent. Okay.
Absent.
Chinmay. Chinmay.
Absent.
Chinmay is
Present.
present. No, she is present.
Yes.
Where is Chinmay?
Yes.
Okay.
Present.
Yeah, Devamitra.
Present, ma'am.
Dia Denny. Dia Denny. Dia Denny is absent.
Yes.
Yes.
Emmanuel Sijo.
Present,
Esther.
ma'am.
Esther.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Felix.
Present, ma'am.
Heaven.
Present, ma'am.
Ishan.
Present, ma'am.
Janita.
Present, ma'am.
Krishnaraj.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Imran Ali.
Present.
Present.
Muhammad Zishan. Niharika.
Present, ma'am.
Niranjan.
Present, ma'am.
Nora.
Absent.
Karvana.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Pranav.
Present, ma'am.
Ramin. Present.
Present,
Rex.
ma'am.
Present. Rida. Present. Yeah. Risa.
Present, ma'am.
Rishit. Roshid.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Roshid.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Sarah Mariam.
She's go.
Okay.
School.
Serafina.
School.
Serafina. Present. Suhana.
Present, ma'am.
Shiva. Present. Okay. Thank you, children. We'll meet in next class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Take care.
Ma'am.